Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Leo from the 28th till the 31st of the July, okay? This is not like the rest of the reading Leo, like a mid-month weekly reading. This is a short video, a direct message for you for the 28th till the 31st of the July. So those who are new to my channel, if you guys are really into such videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So Leo, we have the Seven of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Swords, Five of Wands. So overall energy, I feel these 4 days there's a chances of you getting involved in some conflict with a person or with a situation where you will be really not ready to compromise for what that other person is about to. You're like standing for yourself or fighting for what you believe in, or you'll be in a situation where maybe you'll be very hurried in order to get what you believe in. Maybe it's asking you to actually look after other people, what other peoples are up to, or you have to really consider everyone's opinion. Maybe you are lacking your concentration. Maybe in order to get what you want, you're kind of being so impatient, you're approaching it in a wrong way. I'm going to clarify. There's a confusion going on. The situation is so confusing for many of you, Leo. You don't know what's happening exactly. That's why you're impatiently being in conflict with someone. Maybe because you just want to change something. You just want to change what's happening in the present situation. Whatever the fight, though, it's like you want an opportunity to change it. There's a change happening. Could be you end up being healing from a fighting situation. There's a lack of healing for many of you. I'm going to clarify what is it all about, Leo. First, I'm going to clarify the overall energy. Why is this fight happening? What is it all about for Leo? Five of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands, Page of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay. You're not ready to compromise with someone, Leo. You're not ready to, maybe this is related to with a person you are emotionally connected with. You have a lot of memories with this person, okay? Whomever you're dealing with, Leo, there's a lot of memories with this person. You really don't want to let go of this person, or the situation, this person could be creating something in the present 4 days. This person is creating some conflict with you. I see you both are not recognizing what each other believe in, or you're not giving value to this person, okay? This is someone could be younger than you, or this is like a fresh start or a new connection could be for many of you. You're not ready to get off your place. You're not ready to give up for this person. You're not ready to give up what you believe in because you think you know all. Sometimes it happens with the Leo, I know. You're not ready to give up with situations. You're not ready to give up with your ego, your attitude, your prideness, your loyalty for someone. So it sometimes happens. That's why I feel you're not ready to compromise. That person on the other side, they do have feelings. You're not being ready to compromise about some situations. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Cups. I feel this could be your person going through some confusion, or this could be you also. You could be dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Three of Cups, the Six of Swords, the Judgment. One wants to reconnect, one wants to compromise and reconnect, and the other side, the one is not at all ready to compromise to anything or reconnect with the person. Maybe you have to actually realize something in the present situation, Leo. Sometimes we have to compromise. Sometimes in order to be with the same person, be with a strong connection, we have to compromise. Sometimes we have to give up. If this is you not ready to compromise with the situation, then I guess your partner wants to reconnect with you or really want to celebrate about some sort of situation. They really want to be happy with you. They really want to spend the happy situation. But on the other side, I see you are not willing to compromise, or you're not willing to accept what they're up to. You're really getting distant from the situation, withdrawing from a situation. That's why your person being so confused in these 4 days, because they're going to some sort of realization that maybe I don't know what is this all about. They're not getting to a final conclusion about you. They're being so confused. They end up being choosing so many things. They feel, what's going on in my head, what this Leo is making me to think. There's the big changes happening for many of you in the 4 days. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune for you, Leo. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the 4 of Cups, the Emperor, 7 of Cups. So many of you, there's a chances that your person could be rejecting you. Many of you, you made them into a confusion situation. You didn't compromise with them in a conflict situation. Many of you, there's a chances your person could be withdrawing from a situation, okay, because you really didn't compromise. The fight didn't go very well. You withdrawed when they needed, and now they're like choosing, because they have a lot of options with them. Leo, be careful, because they don't feel any pull towards this connection. Maybe they end up, no, this one is not for me. I was having wrong vision towards this person. There's a chance that this person could be misunderstanding in the future. That may make you feel so stubborn or couldn't take any action. You might go through a lot of thinking. That might end you being thinking about the situation. So be careful. I just want to say it. Whatever situation you have to compromise. I feel maybe your person has to, if this is your person, you have to realize some things about the situation, Leo. That is all I have for you people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.